ABU Robocon 2026 Hong Kong, China is sending you on a Kung Fu quest. The red team and blue team will each operate two robots, namely R1 and R2. R2 must be fully automated. The game field is a square measuring 12 meter to 12 meter. Zone 1 is the Marshall Club. It consists of the start zone, spearhead rack, and staff rack. Zone 2 is the Maihua Forest. It includes the forest, which R2 must navigate, and the pathway, which only R1 can travel along. 8 Kung Fu scrolls will be placed in the forest before the match begins. Zone 3 is the arena, which has ramps on both sides for the robots to enter. It comprises the 2M high tic-tac-toe rack, used weapon area, and retry zone. Here come the robots to show us how the game is played. For each match, there will be 1 minute of preparation time and 3 minutes of competition time. During the preparation time, each team needs to place 8 Kung Fu scrolls in their opponent's forest. There are 3 types of Kung Fu scrolls. One that can only be picked up by R1, one that can only be picked up by R2, and fake Kung Fu scrolls that no robot can touch. The contest logo is printed on the first type of Kung Fu scrolls. Oracle Bone characters are printed on the second type, while random patterns are assigned to the fake Kung Fu scrolls. When the gong sounds, the 3-minute competition begins. The robot's task at the Marshall Club is to assemble weapons. Each assembled weapon earns 10 points. Afterwards, in the Maihua Forest, the robot's mission is to collect Kung Fu scrolls. R1 can move freely along the pathway, while R2 must enter the forest through the designated entrance. In addition, it can only pick up Kung Fu scrolls immediately adjacent to it. Both the Kung Fu scrolls and weapons are very precious. Any scrolls that fall outside of the forest, or any weapons that break apart or are dropped, will become unusable. After collecting at least 1 Kung Fu scroll or weapon, the robots can enter the arena. Each Kung Fu scroll successfully transported to the arena earns 10 points. R1 can only place its Kung Fu scrolls in the bottom row. Each successfully placed scroll earns 30 points. R2 can only place its Kung Fu scrolls in the middle and top rows. Each scroll earns 40 points. To place a Kung Fu scroll in the top row, R1 must give R2 a boost to accomplish the task. Each scroll placed in the top row earns 80 points. To make the competition even more exciting, each team can knock down their opponent's Kung Fu scrolls to deduct points from them. The first team to align 3 scrolls vertically or diagonally will be crowned Kung Fu Master and achieve absolute victory. Kung Fu Quest awaits you at ABU Robocon 2026 Hong Kong, China.